come downstairs now. Come on, Juno, quick. Juno, come downstairs like a good boy. Come on, Juno, quick. Juno, you're at the top of the stairs. Come downstairs, Juno, quick. Come on, Juno, quick. Hello, Juno. Good boy, Juno. Come downstairs, Juno. Good boy, Juno. Come downstairs like a good boy. How are you, Juno? Our Bichon Frise. It's nice to see you. Hi, Juno. It's good to see you. You're my Bichon Frise. How are you? How are you, Juno? Stay, Juno. You're a good boy, Juno. Hello, Juno. How are you, you fluffy Bichon Frise? We've had you for years. What a good boy you are, Juno. Junes, come on, Junes. Junes, come on, Juno. Come on, Juno. Juno, come on. Juno, come on, Juno. Hi, Juno. Let me sit beside you. Hello, Juno. I forget. Juno. Hello, Juno. What a nice Bichon Frise you are. Hello, Juno. Hello, Juno. Sit. Sit. Where are you going, Juno? Where are you going, Juno? Hi, Juno. Where are you going? Where are you going, Juno? Hey, Juno. Where are you going? What do you see, Juno? Juno, do you want to go outside? Come on, Juno. Do you want to go outside? Come on, Juno. Juno, go outside. Go outside, Juno. Now, Juno, go outside. Go, Juno. Go outside. Juno to join his friends outside. Juno will join this group of boys and girls outside. Oh, my gang. Oh, my gang. Hello, Jacob and the Beagles. The whole the gang is here, and our Chi-gang. And Jacob is my baby. He's Harry, how are you? All the gang is here. Puppy. The gang is all here.